Hello and welcome. Bass is for everyone. For everyone. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. Bass is for everyone. Thank you and welcome back to our video after a long time. I was not feeling well. Today is Sunday, August the 31st, 2025, last day of the month. Bass is for everyone, and there is a lot of information that we will be sharing today. And today we will also include our discussion regarding Coinbase and Robinhood. So let's have a look into this. First and foremost, the current price for Base is for everyone at the time of recording is $3.3 million. At various exchanges, it is a different price, but on average, we are sitting at $3.3 million. We fell down to like a few days ago, we fell down to $2.7 million, and I guess that was the bottom. So at the time of recording this video, we are trading at $3.3 million. Let's have a look at the overall performance of basis for everyone. Today, we are going to close our fifth month with basis for everyone. So the first candle is for the month of April. We started from zero and we went as high as 0.019 cents. So the month of April turned red. In the next 14 days, it was released on April the 16th. In the next 14 days, it saw a lot of action, dropping back again to 0.002. Anyways, then came the month of May and it bottomed, which was the rock bottom, 0.003 cents. And then in the month of May, we hit 0.017. May was a green month. And again, June, the uh, overall volume in June was one quarter of May, but June was also green month. And July performance was also good. In July, the local top was 0.01, means 1 cent, and that was on July the 16th, the big day. Since then, since the big day, base is for everyone is on a decline. And this is 4 days ago when we hit the bottom and it was 0.027, 0.028. And now at the time of recording this video, we are trading at 0.003. So you will see that the month of August was kind of very difficult for basis for everyone, and we have seen a big red candle. And if we measure this candle, the total volume, the total price which declined was around 60% in the price. I mean, from the local top for the month of August to the retracement was 60%. However, if we see the other side, like the pump, if you look at the month of May, we pumped, uh, uh, look at this one. This one is 1,568%. So compared to the May's activity, the month of month of August is nothing. But anyways, we dropped around 60% in the month of August. So definitely, I mean, how low you can go from here. This is getting famous. Basis for everyone has many holders now, and there are loyal holders, firm holders with you know their investments in this coin. So I think the overall trend in the market, the overall performance in Ethereum, unless Ethereum goes down drastically, basis for everyone is already sitting at its bottom now. I mean, you cannot sell here with the hope that it will fall further down. What if the market rebounds? What if ETH goes in a discovery mode again? So let's look at the holders. We got 76,300 holders, and I have already seen that around 187 wallets hold 1 million basis for everyone or more. Okay, so Jesse came back from his vacations and he tweeted something interesting. And yes, it was. I was fully offline for 4 days, felt good to rest and recharge, ready for a big fall. Please pay attention. Ready for a big fall day one. So, fall has the month of, fall formally begins on September the 21st. So, we have September, October, November, and December the 21st. So, we have 3 months in fall, and there is a lot of action we can anticipate. You can see this is where we are on a monthly chart. So if I missed a note from you, this is why we'll be catching back up over and the next few days. So pay attention. All the indicators and our current situation is kind of like really, really low, really bottom. So we can hope that this is going to reverse, and of course holders in crypto, not a financial advice, always bounce back. And there are signs. Jesse reposted this yesterday. Scaling DeFi, the total value locked for Base is at an all-time high of $12.6 billion. That is amazing. That is good for the Base chain. Recently, a very famous channel, Coin Bureau, had a video 3 days ago, and it was about Robinhood versus Coinbase. And uh, I have I have just a few areas. Their channel for sure is very big and have a wealth of knowledge. So I'm sharing some of the comparisons they have tried to do because this is related to uh, Coinbase, and Coinbase layer 2 is the base chain, and the base chain's famous motto, famous logo, famous core value is that base is for everyone. Everyone has their stuff they can do with the base. So just listen to this. It will not be long. Let's go.
How many people are actually using Robinhood and Coinbase, and where is all this growth coming from? Starting with Robinhood, in 2017 it had just 2 million funded accounts. Fast forward to 2025, and the platform sees nearly 13 million monthly active users. And its
So Robinhood has 13 million active users, which is for sure way less than Coinbase. Let's go.
custom blockchain, also using Arbitrum's technology. The plan is to eventually open it up to external developers, which could make it a serious rival to Coinbase's base chain. And
So they use Arbitrum technology, but they're not there. They are still doing their experiments. Let's look at Coinbase.
speaking of Coinbase, as of Q2 2025, it has over 8.7 million monthly transacting users, with its international reach extending to more than 100 countries.
One interesting thing, we have 8.7 million users. If every user buys $1 basis for everyone, so the real book value of basis for everyone at this point is 0.087, not 0.003. It is 0.008. If everybody invests only $1, how low we are sitting at this time. Okay, let's see another part from this video, and here.
Coinbase, on the other hand, has become the heavyweight of crypto infrastructure. The platform supports a wide array of coins, offers staking, advanced charting, deep liquidity, and its own Ethereum Layer 2 chain.
And its own Ethereum layer 2 chain is basis for everyone. The base chain means basis for everyone.
And while fees are higher, users get world class custody, access to DeFi, and a steady stream of product upgrades.
Amazing. And then here is the conclusion.
So, where exactly does that leave us? Well, at the end of the day, it really comes down to what you value most. Both companies are pushing boundaries, and in many ways, both are winning, each in their own lane. While Robinhood and Coinbase are pushing into each other's territories, aiming to become true financial super apps, it's still too early to say for sure if either will come out on top.
We are early indeed.
As always, only time will tell.
For sure, only time will tell. So this video was made by Coinbase yesterday, and a similar video with a similar title was made by Coinbase 4 years ago in 2021. And there it was, let's see what was there 4 years ago.
Now, that's about all I have time for today, folks. However, I do want to share a few quick closing thoughts and highlight some of the shortcomings of Coinbase and Robinhood. So, one of the major issues with Robinhood is that it's not what I would call a true crypto exchange. Sure, you can get exposure to the price action of crypto. However, until they enable crypto withdrawals, they cannot be considered an exchange. That's a bit of a problem if you want the option of taking control of your own private keys. Moreover, what happens if you want to move your crypto to another exchange to buy a wider selection of coins? Well, currently, you can't do that, and you're stuck with their meager selection of only 7 cryptocurrencies. Pretty good when you compare that against regular Coinbase or Robinhood. However, the truth is that other exchanges offer a wider selection of different cryptos and trading fees starting at 5 times less than Coinbase Pro.
So this is what 5 years ago, 4 years ago, but Coinbase has come a long way and grown exponentially. There is so much more, and the objective of Coinbase, it's a listed company, and then its blockchain, which is its layer 2 blockchain, which is the base chain at this time, is number one in total value locked. These are all signs and signals. These are all indicators where Coinbase, the base chain and basis for everyone has come all the way in last decade, and especially in last 5 years there is an exponential growth. So in our Telegram chat, in on X, which is X Twitter, I mean, the community knows what they are holding, and new buyers, new investors, new holders coming to the basis for everyone, they all know that there's a huge potential, and I am also very confident that this is going to make a huge difference in the price action of basis for everyone, especially in this fall 2025. Today we close the month, and I think the month of August closes at around $3.3 million market cap for the basis for everyone. Thank you very much, my friends. I'm feeling healthy now, and will be I will be there with you in my next video. Until then, thank you so much. Base is for everyone.